We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'd be dressing up as various aesthetic styles of fashion. So what is aesthetic fashion basically? It is a typical way of dressing up which seems pleasing. Also, it is kind of unique and it may or may not be trendy in the past years. So whenever you go through Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, all that sort of platforms, you kind of see people dressing up in a certain way. It's not necessary that everyone dresses up like that. There are people who kind of wear anything they wish to, but there are people who like really strictly follow a certain type of fashion, I'd say. Like you'd see there are soft girls, there are e-boys and e-girls, there are people who are inspired from 90s, there are grunge aesthetics, all that sort of stuff. So that those are like pretty much different way how people are defining their style as, like they are more inspired to that particular thing. I have basically written down the key features which are there in each of these different styles. So keeping those things in mind, I'd be dressing up and doing my makeup in accordance to that. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I think that it is going to be helpful for you as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing that we are trying is soft girl aesthetic. Now even boys dress up in that manner, so the style is basically it involves a lot of light color clothes, pastels, and pinks, white, and all that sort of stuff. Even the denim is really light, like the sky blue. So if we talk about makeup, then it does involve a lot of blush and pink eyeshadows and those clouds and sort of stuff. If you guys have watched my previous video, I kind of painted clouds on my shoulders. So I'm thinking of trying the same thing on my cheeks because it does match with those girls, like their style and everything. So I think it will highlight the style a bit more than me applying regular blush, if that is making any sense. So I'll be trying that makeup. Okay, so the first thing that I will be doing is applying a lot of blush on my cheeks, and because I'm working with this area first because I have to paint clouds on them, so that is the main reason why I'm applying blush first and not eyeshadow and rest of the stuff. Also, I am really not someone who knows how to do makeup. I just do what I feel like is right. I really don't know what comes first, whether it's foundation or concealer or anything for that matter, primer and stuff. I might be learning how to do them like after this thing ends, because I really don't have enough of supplies of all those things. Like the only thing I have at this point is blush, then I have a few brushes, I have an eyeshadow palette, and that is all that I work with right now. Actually, I have two eyeshadow palettes and I have two different blushes, but one of them is almost like finished, so I'm using the another one. I think this is enough of blush, or is it not? I mean, I'll darken it up a bit. Also, if this is not the right way of applying blush, I mean, you guys can tell me how to, but this is the only way I know. Now I'll be taking my paints and painting clouds on both of my cheeks. So the clouds are done, even though I did mess up a little bit, especially this thing. but I'll just let it dry and then I'll wipe it out. Now it's time for eyeshadow. Now I have this pink color here, so I think I'd be applying that. Okay, so I have this palette which I like talked about in the previous video, Fortune Favors the Brave. So I'm applying peachy shade, which is kind of pink and will match with the whole look. So this is how basically the whole look has turned out, and the clouds look really cute. I like it. Sort of, but let's see if there's something which I find really cute and pretty. I'll be wearing that along with it. So I'll see you guys in a while. So this is the first look, which was basically soft girl aesthetic. So in this I have chosen this white full sleeve t-shirt along with these jeans and these white shoes. Now for the outfit I wanted to keep very basic because the makeup was a bit too much and I didn't want the outfit to be too overpowering so that the makeup is not visible. So that's why I paired all these things, which is really simple, and the makeup is definitely going to stand out. So for the second look, which is basically grunge aesthetic. Okay, so I've thought of a look where the eyeshadow is going to be dark and liner, a little bit of blush and red lipstick. Now the thing with this look is that even if the eyeshadow, blush and lipstick goes well, which will, I mean there's not much of an effort, if the liner isn't perfect, then it will ruin the whole look. And that was the same reason why I didn't apply liner in my soft girl aesthetic. So that is a thing, but we are going to apply eyeshadow and blush and see if the liner turns out to be well, and if it doesn't, then we won't capture it in our pictures. I mean, I won't show it. Okay, so the shade that I'm applying is Caffeine Fix, and it is a dark brown shade, so it will look good. I have one more shade which is Drama Queen, which is a lot darker than Caffeine Fix, but I'm just trying both of them. Like I'll be mixing them so that the eyeshadow is dark but not too dark.
To think you have me cause you don't like to lose, but you lose me like they always do. Think I know you better to forget her. Certain people made for running.
So this is the second look, which was 90s grunge aesthetic. So what I've already done is I have chosen all black outfit. Like these are the pair of jeans which I'll be wearing. This is the shirt, and inside it I'll be wearing a black tube top. Then I'll be pairing them with these boots and these specs. So this is what I have thought for the outfit. Okay, so the makeup is done. You guys have already seen what I'll be wearing. So now the only thing left is clicking pictures. So once that is done, you guys can see the final results. So while clicking the pictures, I just realized that I forgot to film the makeup of vintage aesthetic. So I'll be doing that. I just have to wash my face completely just so that I can film what I did for the look. Do much of makeup with that. I just kept it simple, and what I basically did was I applied this shade right here. I know my nails look horrible because I haven't really painted them in a while. And yeah, I'll be applying that shade and a little bit of blush, so that will be the whole look for this thing, because I think that the outfit is denim on denim, so that would really go well with that. So this is how the makeup has turned out for vintage aesthetic. You guys can barely see the eyeshadow which I've applied, but and that was the main thing. Like, I wanted something minimal, not too much, not too overpowering, because I think the makeup which I did with the soft curl was a little bit too much. Even though it was really cute, it was really pretty, but I tried to make it more simple when it came to this. So this is the last outfit, which is vintage aesthetic. So for this I have thought of wearing this denim jacket along with these bell bottoms and this t-shirt. Although I did think of going denim on denim and not really wearing something such as a t-shirt, I was just planning on wearing a denim jacket only, but then I realized that this thing would really match with that vintage vibe, so it will help. And then I've paired them with these boots which I used in grunge aesthetic. So now the only thing that I'm left with is clicking pictures, and I think this video will be over once I'm done with that.
Oh grace, oh grace. Every time you come around, I feel okay. You help me see color in a world of gray. Girl, you make me feel some type of way. Ooh. Every little thing you say or you do.
This is me again editing this video. So I'm really sorry for the delay. I know it has been really long since I posted my last video. It's been quite a few days and I've posted this video really late, but trust me, this was not something that I could help. Something or the other with this video went wrong, whether it was makeup or the outfit or maybe the picture. Something or the other kept going wrong, and it kind of did take me like a while to film this whole look. At first I thought that I'd be completing all the 3 looks within a day, but that did not happen really, because I had to do the makeup and choose the outfit and also click the pictures in the same day. So that was really hectic for me, and even though I did try to do it, I did try to film 2 looks within a day, what really happened was something went off. Either the pictures weren't that well, or maybe those pictures didn't really show the whole outfit or the makeup like that. So I had to click the pictures again and I had to film the whole video again. Sometimes what happened was that the sound wasn't really clear what I was talking about, so that was the whole reason why I was not able to post it. And this video was something that I really wanted to do for a while, and I really didn't want it to be messed up, you know, and something, and I didn't want anything to go wrong with this particular video. Even though at this point it isn't perfect, but it is something which clearly shows what I think of these looks, what I think of these styles in general. I'll be covering all aesthetics that exist in various parts, so I've chosen 3 in this video, and in the next video there'll be different aesthetics. So if you guys have any suggestions that what you want, what next look you want me to do, you guys can let me know. I'll try to create the same look with all what I have, so you guys literally can DM me on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel, because it really makes me happy after doing something, knowing that I don't have enough resources for the same, but I still am able to do it. So whatever it is, I'll try doing it. Please write down in the comment section. Also, you can give me any suggestions of what kind of videos do you want. Also, do let me know which look was your favorite. And I think that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button, follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, that is it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.